of this polynomial is another third degree polynomial of 2x to power 3 minus 9x minus 27. So the question says find, if x minus 3 is a factor, find the other remaining factors. So there should be 2 more remaining. So the first thing we want to do is rewrite this, rewrite the given. So I'm going to write solution. And then I want to write the polynomial in standard form. Make sure that all the everything is represented. So there is no power of 2. I will include power of 2. I want to make sure that all the terms are included because there's no power of 2 in the equation. Minus 9x minus 27. All right, so the next thing I want to do is I like using synthetic division, or you may be told to use synthetic division. So you must know how to do synthetic division because you actually needed to solve polynomial equations. So I'm going to solve this, find the missing factors synthetically. So I'm going to collect the coefficients of the polynomial. That's 2, 0, negative 9, negative 27. And I'm given that x minus 3 is a factor. So since x minus 3 is a factor, I can solve for, I see find that x is equal to 3. So then I solve for x, and then I see that x is equal to 3. So that is 3 here. And I'm trying to do synthetic division so I can find the quotient. The quotient is the equation of containing the other factors. I bring down the first number. 3 times 2 is 6. Put the 6 under the second number. 0 plus 6 is 6. 3 times 6 is 18. Add that here. 18 plus negative 9 is 9. 3 times 9 is 27. Negative 27 plus 27 is 0. I'm already told that x minus 3 is a factor. So I was expecting to get a remainder of 0. So I can now write the complete factors for now. So I already know that the remainder is a quadratic function. So this is a constant term right here. This is a linear term. This is quadratic. So x minus 3 is a factor. Then I want to find the factors of 2x squared plus 6x plus 9 because the remainder is 0 here. So I'm looking for the factors of this. Okay, so I can say 2 times 9 is 18. Is there any way I can manipulate 6 to get 18? Anywhere I can manipulate 6 to get 18. If not, if I cannot factor this out, then I can use the quadratic formula. So let's see, 2 times 9 is 18. And then the factors of 18 are 3 and 6. 3 plus 6, there's no way 3 plus 6 could give me, there's no way 3 plus 6 can give me, okay, I see. So this is 2 times 9, this is 18. And then there's no way I can factor 18. See, the factors are 3 times 6, 2 times 9. Okay, these are the only 2 factors that, so the next thing I want to do is try and solve this by quadratic formula, okay, and find my factors. So these are the factors for now. So we want to find out A is 2, B is 6, and C is 9. Okay, so that is the equation. I want to use the quadratic formula. Before I use quadratic formula, I like to find a discriminant. I like to know how the discriminant looks. Helps a lot, so you don't have to waste your time solving an equation when it is imaginary. So x for this second term is minus 6 plus or minus square root of 6 squared minus 2ac minus 4ac. 4 times a is 2, and c is positive 9. Okay, so I like to look at the discriminant. Remember, if the discriminant is greater than 0, two real solutions. If the discriminant is equal to 0, one real solution. If the discriminant is less than 0, imaginary solutions. So the one thing I want to check is the discriminant less than 0? So we're going to find that out. Okay, so we see that 6 squared is 36, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 9 is greater than 36. So discriminant is actually less than 0. Discriminant is less than 0, so that is negative. Okay, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 9 is 72. Okay, so 36 minus 72 is negative 36 here. So we are going to check our answer, see if our answer works. All right. Okay, and okay, so that's what I have. This is a negative 6, so I can rewrite it as square root of 6, 36, multiplied by I, and I can have negative 6. And by the way, there is 2a here. 2a, so let's finish this up because we are looking for two solutions. So our x, looking for two solutions. So x is equal to minus 6 plus or minus square root of negative 36. Because 72 plus 36 is negative 36, all over 2 times 2. 2 times 2, a is 2. Okay, and we now want to factor out. When we look at the data here, we notice that we have to factor out, where are they coming from? Okay. All right, so inside the radical, I will factor out 6i. 6i factors out inside the radical. So I have negative 6. So x is equal to negative 6 plus or minus 6i all over 4. And 2 can go, and this implies that I have negative 3 plus 3i over 2. I can actually put 2 over here, 2 here, and 2 here. And so my answer is in complex form, but I want us to know that this is plus or minus. So our answer is plus or minus here. Okay, so we have negative I plus 3i, negative 3 over 2 plus 3i, or negative 3 over 2 minus 3i over 2. Two solutions. So one is a real solution, the other two are imaginary. And we can actually check our answer to see. You can use your calculator to check your answer. Is this, does this you can check your answer and see if your answer actually works. Your calculator will tell you all the full story if you're allowed to use your calculator in the test. If you're allowed to use your calculator in the test, you can put it in and see if that quadratic, but already we found out that the quadratic has imaginary solutions. The quadratic formula or the quadratic part of the equation has an imaginary solution.